This video will show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on a Ford Edge. This will be accessed from under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your glove box, open the glove box, remove anything located inside. After that, you're going to take hold of each edge here. We're carefully pulling them inboard, flexing them just enough that this will come down. After that, we're rolling it out of its lower hinged joint. Looking deep inside here, we can see where our blower motor resistor is. We're going to start with our small electrical connector up along the top area. To start removing this electrical connector, you may find it easiest to either use an angled pick or a small screwdriver. When we go to dislodge this, we do have locking tabs along each side. You're going to find it easiest using the angled pick along the forward side, since it's the hardest to gain access to. I'm just going in between the connector and my locking tab, gently prying it away. Same process for the other locking tab, and then we should be able to lift this up and out of position. I don't see any corrosion there. We'll tuck the wiring aside. Now as you look at that resistor, you're going to find that you have two mounting screws to be removed. We have one over here and one over on the far side. We'll be using a Phillips head to remove each of these two screws. Here's our first mounting screw. There's our second mounting screw. Now we should be able to reach in here. We'll take hold of that, lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm only using a clean rag, no detergents. Just give it a quick wipe, make sure there's no miscellaneous debris. Now it's time to install the brand new blower motor resistor. When we go to install this, we want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. As you look at the outboard shape here, you can find that you will have one area that's pointed in the center. That's going to be facing towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's carefully align this into the proper positioning. We'll start in both of our screws prior to tightening either of them. That falls right down into place. Make sure we get that one started in. Okay, they're both started in. Let's go ahead and snug them up. We'll make sure everything's nice and tight, and we'll continue on with our electrical connector. That one's tight. Let's continue on to the next. Make sure the resistor's fully tightened. Line up the electrical connector, press it in. We're listening for an audible click from each one of our two locking tabs. That's secure as well. Now, when we go to install our glove box, let's just have a quick look along the bottom of the glove box door itself. You're going to find that you have three small hooks. Those hooks go into place along the bottom of the dash here. Let's go ahead and line up those hooked areas. We're pressing this all the way in. You should hear an audible click. Now we'll start bringing this up. Looking along either side of the glove box, you're going to find that you have a locking tab, which is why we had to gently squeeze in along each side. During the installation, you do not need to squeeze, just gently lift. Now, once you hear it latch in, we just want to double check to make sure it does catch the way that it should. Install anything that you had removed from inside of your glove box. After that, just go ahead and close that glove box. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you have to do is test the blower motor on all speeds and confirm you don't hear any odd noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.